Good morning, class. Welcome to another exciting lesson in Earth and Life class. I am your mentor for today, Mom Crystal Jane R. Pinko. Last time, we discussed the unique characteristics of the organisms, including the structure and the specific functions of the organ systems. At this point, let us have the review of the lesson. The activity is called match up. You have to drag and drop the organ system next to its function. You got the correct answer, class. A big round of applause for you. Let us now review your answer. The skeletal system protects the internal organs. The nervous system controls the activities of all other systems. And the urinary system removes body waste. The next match. You got the correct answer again. The muscular system for body movement, the circulatory system for transporting blood throughout the body, and digestive system for absorption of nutrients. Thank you very much for your participation. You are now familiar with the specific function of the organ systems. And now, I will be showing you an image. Look at the image. There is a saying that no man is an island. You probably hear it in your English lesson. Can you tell me what is meant by this? Yes, definitely. Means that no one is self-sufficient to survive. We are part of the community, so we interact and depend to other people for many reasons. But do you know that the human body also works like this? Let us discover why. Our body is made up of organs, the heart, the lungs, the brain, the kidney, the bones, and many more, which are part of the organ system. Organ systems of the body, again, include circulatory, respiratory, skeletal, nervous, muscular, urinary, and digestive systems. And these systems work as a team to keep us alive And so with this, we are going to deal with functional relationships of the different organ systems in ensuring animal survival, with the objective of course, explaining the functional relationships of the different organ systems in ensuring animal survival. But how do the organ systems interact with each other to keep us alive? The first pair of the organ systems are the circulatory and the respiratory systems. The circulatory system works with the respiratory system to provide body cells with needed oxygen and remove carbon dioxide waste, meaning gas exchange, which is necessary for us to keep us breathe clean air. The next pair of systems are the digestive and the circulatory. The digestive system works with the circulatory system to get the absorbed nutrients distributed through your body. And it is through the blood which transport nutrients to our entire body. The next is the urinary system, which works with all other systems. It cleans the blood of waste products produced by the skeletal, muscular, digestive, respiratory, circulatory, and nervous system. Next are the muscular and the skeletal system, which work together to create body movements. The last is the nervous system, which also works with all other systems. It controls the activities of all other systems to maintain coordination. It's amazing how the organ systems depend on one another to carry out body processes. To check your understanding of the lesson, let us have an activity. The title of the activity is Name It. You have to name the image of organ systems to complete the statement. Number 1. The system relies on to the system to remove waste from the bone. The correct answers are skeletal and urinary. You got the correct answer, class. Let us read the statement. The skeletal system relies on to the urinary system to remove waste from the bone. The second, the system relies on to the system to deliver the nutrients to the entire body. The correct answers are digestive and circulatory. Again, you got the correct answers right. Let us read. The digestive system relies on to the circulatory system to deliver the nutrients to the entire body. The third one, the system provides oxygen to the system. The correct answers are respiratory and circulatory. You got the answers, class. The respiratory system provides oxygen to the circulatory system. The fourth one, the system delivers oxygen-rich blood to the bones. Meanwhile, the bones of the system are busy making new blood cells. The correct answers are circulatory and skeletal. You got it right, class. The circulatory system delivers oxygen-rich blood to the bones. Meanwhile, the bones of the skeletal system are busy making new blood cells. The fifth and the last, the system provides the brain, which is part of the system, with a constant supply of oxygen-rich blood, while the brain regulates the heart rate. The correct answers are circulatory and nervous. Very good, class. The circulatory system provides the brain, which is part of the nervous system, with a constant supply of oxygen-rich blood, while the brain regulates the heart rate. You observe how the circulatory system also works with all other systems of the body. This is because it has with it the blood, which carries the oxygen, the nutrients, and all other essential materials needed by the body. Identify the organ systems that interact with each other in this image. Let us check your answer. The organ systems that work together to allow the running movement of the woman on the picture are the skeletal and the muscular system, of course, because the girl uses the bones and muscles to run. The respiratory system, yes, because gases exchange in the lungs as she breathes air. Circulatory system, very good, because it keeps the blood flowing while she was running. And the digestive system, very good, to ensure she has enough energy which comes from the food that she eats. Do you ever think what will happen if one of the organ systems does not function properly? Yes, very good. If that's the case, the body will get sick, and the worst, the person will die. For example, when the urinary system does not function properly, the body waste will not be removed, and so the organs and all other organ systems will be infected. To further enhance and assess your learnings for today, let us have another activity. The activity is entitled Fill Me Up. Direction: read the statements carefully and fill in the tables with the correct answers. You have to fill in the left side of the table with the names of the two organ systems which are involved on the interaction mentioned on the right side of the table. Number 1. Lungs supply oxygen carried by the blood cells of the body. The interacting systems are the respiratory and the circulatory systems. This is because the lungs are part of the respiratory and it is the circulatory system that transports the oxygen. The second, nutrients pass into the circulatory system to be carried by the blood cells. The answers are the digestive and circulatory systems. It's because the nutrients are processed by the digestive system and are transported by the circulatory system. Number 3. Daily movement and coordination. The interacting systems are the muscular and the nervous system. Of course, because it includes the muscles and the brain. Number 4. Veins bring blood from the lungs back to the heart. The systems are the muscular and the circulatory system because it involves the movement of the blood with the help of the cardiac muscles. The fifth and the final. Muscles in the legs cause the bones to move upward. The answers are the muscular and the skeletal systems. Thank you very much for your participation, class. Well, if you got 5, very good. If you got 3 to 4 points, good. And if you got 2 points down, nice try. You have to study more. Well, I hope you enjoy our lesson for today. I have posted your assignments in the Google Classroom. Study more and good luck. See you next week.